is Hirok Das. In this video, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from electronics device in the year 1999. Okay, the question says that in PN junction diode, dynamic conductance is directly proportional to applied voltage, the temperature. Option C is current, and option D is thermal voltage. Okay, before solving this question, we discuss some topic. In PN junction diode, in forward bias, okay, in forward bias there are two type of resistance. One is DC resistance or static resistance, another is AC or dynamic resistance. Okay, so we know that dynamic resistance RD is equal to eta Vt by Id into e to the power V by eta Vt, right? So I made a separate video on that, and I gave the link in the description, so you can go through that. So this is the, for this video, this is the RD, the dynamic resistance. So we know that dynamic conductance, actually dynamic conductance equal to, we know that resistance, conductance equal to 1 by resistance, right? So dynamic conductance equal to 1 by dynamic resistance. Right, now we put the value of this dynamic resistance for PN junction diode, 1 by eta Vt divided by Id into e to the power V by eta Vt, right? So this is equal to Id into e to the power V by eta Vt divided by eta Vt. That means dynamic conductance equal to Id into e to the power V by eta Vt divided by eta Vt. So this is the dynamic conductance equation of a PN junction diode, right? Now go to the option. Option A is directly, they ask the conductance for which this equation directly proportional with the dynamic conductance, right? Directly proportional. So applied voltage, with applied voltage it is not directly proportional, it is the exponential of this applied voltage. So option A is not the right answer. The temperature, it does not depend on temperature, it depends on Vt, its current. Dynamic conductance, see here, dynamic conductance is proportional, directly proportional to its current. Okay, dynamic conductance I am writing here, directly proportional to the applied current. Okay, so dynamic conductance directly proportional to the applied current. So option C is the right answer. This is the right answer. And the thermal voltage, if there is, they ask that inversely proportional, so thermal voltage will be the answer, because okay, so here this Vt is inversely proportional with dynamic conductance. So for this question, as they ask directly proportional, so option D will not be the answer. So option C is the right answer. Okay, and I am writing here also, dynamic conductance inversely proportional to Vt, right? So this is another point we have to remember. So that's all for this question. Okay, option C is the right answer for this question. Okay, thank you.